crab. So I'm gonna first put the onion, ginger, and garlic. So mix it until it's golden brown. Already brown, so I'm gonna put the crab. And I'm gonna put the Sprite after this. So the crab is already boiling now, so I'm gonna add 1 cup of Sprite. That's why I put Sprite, so that the langsa is fade away. So this is my crab. It's already cooked, so I need to transfer in the glass container. So I'm gonna transfer this to the glass container. This is my finished product.